Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to rename a diagram from Drawio in Confluence. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Confluence, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. To rename a drawio diagram in Confluence, you need to edit the diagram's attachment name in Confluence, since drawio diagrams are stored as attachments in the Confluence page. Now, the first thing is I want you to open the Confluence page and basically navigate to the page where the drawio diagram is embedded. All right, I'm going to click on this Go to Confluence option. In my case, I'm going to be choosing this right here. Once you opened the page where the diagram is embedded, for example, this one, you see there is an option here that says configure, right? I want you to click on it. There should be an option that says edit, right? Click that edit button. You would be forwarded to the Drawio platform, all right? From here, all I have to do is go to the file section, or edit button, and go to the rename. All right, and you would be forwarded here. All I have to do is rename the file and click the rename button. It's very easy. Since you are already here, you might want to make sure that everything here is already kind of like edited as well. You might want to update the version since you're already here. Go to arrange, maybe go to the front, click layers and tooltips and animations. And once you're happy with all these, all right, I want you to click the publish, because that would give an update to the diagram that is embedded to the Confluence page. You see that? From here, the file has been renamed accordingly. And this will display all the attachments on the page, including the diagram. It's very easy, really. Now, before renaming, you might want to consider downloading a copy of the diagram as a backup, all right? Because if the diagram is referenced in other pages, you need to verify that the links are updated to avoid broken references, because you have to rename the diagram and inform your team members about the rename to maintain consistency and avoid confusion, all right? Go to the invite edit option if you want to message your team about this update. You can do that, add their names here, add your client, and click the invite button. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.